Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to delete a Robinhood account. Whether you're switching to a different investment app, taking a break from trading, or just decluttering your digital life, knowing how to do this safely is super important. Robinhood makes it straightforward, but there are a few steps and precautions to keep in mind to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you delete your account, double-check your balance. Make sure you've sold any stocks, withdrawn your funds, and resolved any pending transactions. This step is crucial because Robinhood won't let you close your account if there's money or activity tied to it. Once you're all set, log into your Robinhood app or website using your credentials. Step 1. Open the app and tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. It looks like a person or a circle. If you're on the website, click on your profile picture in the top right. Step 2. Scroll down to the Account section and select Settings or Account Information. Here, you'll find options related to your profile. Step 3. Look for Close Account or something similar, like Account Closure. Robinhood might ask you to confirm your identity or provide a reason for closing. Don't worry, it's all part of their security measures. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely need to review any final details, such as transferring funds out or confirming that you understand this action is permanent. Once you're ready, hit the Confirm button. After that, Robinhood will process your request, and you should receive an email confirmation. Keep in mind, it might take a few days for the account to be fully deleted, so don't panic if it's not instant. And there you have it, your Robinhood account is on its way out. If you run into any issues, reach out to Robinhood's support team. Remember, deleting an account is a big step, so think it through. If you're looking for alternatives, check out our other videos on top investment apps. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. See you next time.